Hello, my dear students, and a very warm welcome back. I know your exams are just around the corner, and revision can feel a little bit stressful, right? But don't you worry one bit. Today, we are going to make this chapter Together We Can super simple and actually fun. Chalo, let's get started.
Okay, so let's dive right in. This whole chapter is about one single magic mantra, teamwork. We're going to start with a really beautiful poem, then we'll see how teamwork is literally all around us, from our country to the tiniest insects. After that, we'll learn some grammar superpowers to help you score full marks, and then we'll finish with a fun little activity. Ready?
All right, first up, let's look at this lovely poem from your textbook. It's really the heart of the chapter, and it's so easy to remember for your exam. So listen carefully, okay?
What beautiful lines. Together we stand, strong and tall. Helping each other, we never fall. It's so simple, isn't it? When we're together, we're powerful. We can support each other so no one gets left behind.
Yes, can you feel the energy in these lines? When you cheer for your friends, for your team, you create this amazing power that can face any problem. Remember that for your exams, your teamwork with friends while studying, it can help you overcome anything, even a really tough question.
And this part, it just shows the pure happiness of working together. When everyone joins in, the work doesn't even feel like work anymore. It's more like a celebration. That happy, cheerful feeling you get when you know your team has your back, that, my dear students, is team spirit.
Now, teamwork isn't just something we read about in poems, Beta. It is everywhere. Let's look at some real-life examples that prove it.
Just think about our amazing country, India. We have so many different languages, so many kinds of food, so many festivals. It's incredible. But when it really matters, we are all one. All this diversity actually makes our team, Team India, even stronger and more beautiful.
And it's not just us humans. Just look at these amazing animal teams. The honeybees, they do this special waggle dance to give their friends directions. It's like a living, breathing Google Maps. And ants, wow, they are the ultimate team players. It's just like those cool nature videos you see on YouTube, showing how these tiny creatures can achieve so much just by working together.
Okay, now it's time for the part that's going to help you get full marks in your exam. We're going to learn the secret language of teamwork. These are special grammar words that help us talk about groups. Think of them as your grammar superpowers.
So, our first superpower is called the collective noun. Don't worry, it's very simple. It's just a special word we use for a group. So instead of saying lots and lots and lots of bees, we use one cool team name for them. Let's see if you know any.
All right, quick quiz for you. We were just talking about them. What do we call a big group of buzzing bees? Any guesses?
A swarm of bees. Exactly. Swarm is the collective noun. See how that one word describes the whole group? Shabash. Excellent job.
Let's try one more. Imagine a group of majestic wolves all together in the forest. What's their team name? Think about it.
It's a pack of wolves. Brilliant. Pack is the collective noun here. So for your exam, you just have to remember, a swarm of bees, a pack of wolves. You've got this. Okay, our next grammar superpower helps us describe where things are located. These important little words are called prepositions. Let's use this neighborhood map from your book to become absolute experts.
Look closely at the map. If someone asks, where is the bank, you can see it's right next to the school. So the answer is, the bank is near the school. And the ambulance? See how it's right in the middle of those two buildings? So it is between the hospital and the post office. Near and between are our prepositions. They're like little position words that tell us exactly where something is. And now for our final grammar topic. This one is all about being a superhero teammate. It's about planning how you will help others in the future. The magic word here is will. Look at this picture. One boy is helping his friend who fell down. That's great teamwork. Now, what will they do next? The obvious thing is they will go to the doctor to get a checkup. We use the word will to talk about what's going to happen in the future. It shows a future action or even a promise. Now here's a question for you to really think about. This is very important. What will you do if your friends are fighting during a team project? How will you bring them together? Think about how you can be a peacemaker and help them solve the problem. Okay, enough of studying for a bit. Let's do something fun.
This is a really simple craft activity from your book that lets you create your very own symbol of unity.
It's so easy and so much fun. You just take a piece of paper, fold it a few times, draw half of a person right on the folded edge, and then cut it out. Just be a little careful with the scissors, okay?
And then, when you open it up, ta-da! You have a whole chain of friends holding hands. This is your very own symbol of teamwork and unity. Well done, you.
So, let's just quickly revise the key points for your exam. First, teamwork is our superpower. Second, remember our collective nouns like swarm and pack. Third, use prepositions like near and between to talk about locations. And fourth, use the word will to talk about the future. See? Super simple.
And that's a wrap on our quick revision. But before you go, think about this. What is one small thing you will do to be an even better teammate? Maybe you'll listen more to others, or maybe you'll cheer for a friend who's feeling down. Remember, every little bit of help counts. All the very best for your exams, my dear students. You are going to do wonderfully.